here to get rid of hiccups. Try drinking water while bending forward and drink out of the opposite end of the glass. Okay. Okay, hanging upside down. Try that. Hey, I think it's working. I haven't hit the... next thing. Try swallowing peanut butter. I have something, but you're not gonna like it. Okay, then I'll just eat it blindfolded. Ah! I need water! I need water! What was that? Hot sauce? Hot sauce? Hey guys, what's up? Oh, nothing. Just that I was about to kill Caroline for feeding me hot sauce when trying to get my hiccups to go away. Oh, then can I get a recording of you hiccuping for a video? Okay, ready to hiccup. Anytime now. Anytime. Well, at least my hiccups have gone away.